Hello friends, I am back with my new video on World War II. Please watch it carefully till the end. World War II, also known as the Second World War, was a global war that lasted from 1939 to 1945. It involved the vast majority of the world's countries, including all the great powers, forming two opposing military alliances, the Allies and the Axis, in a state of total war, directly involving more than 100 million people from more than 30 countries. The major participants threw their entire economic, industrial, and scientific capabilities behind the war effort, blurring the distinction between civilian and military resources. World War II was the deadliest conflict in human history, marked by 70 to 85 million fatalities. Tens of millions of people died due to genocides, including the Holocaust, premeditated death from starvation, massacres, and disease. Aircraft played a major role in the conflict, including the use of strategic bombing of population centers and the only uses of nuclear weapons in war. The start of the war in Europe is generally held to be 1st September 1939, beginning with the German invasion of Poland. The United Kingdom and France declared war on Germany 2 days later. The dates for the beginning of the war in Pacific include the start of the Second Sino-Japanese War on 7th July 1937 or even the Japanese invasion of Manchuria on 19 September 1931. Others follow the British historian A. J. P. Taylor, who held the Sino-Japanese War and war in Europe and its colonies occurred simultaneously, and the two wars merged in 1941. This article uses the conventional dating. Other starting dates sometimes used for World War II include the Italian invasion of Abyssinia on 3rd October 1935. No exact date is known to the people. The British historian Anthony Beevor views the beginning of the World War II as the battles of Khalkhin Gol fought between Japan and the forces of Mongolia and the Soviet Union from May to September 1939. The exact date of the war's end is also not universally agreed upon. It was generally accepted at the time that the war ended with the armistice of 14th August 1945 rather than the formal surrender of Japan, which was on 2nd September 1945, that officially ended the war in Asia. A peace treaty with Japan was signed in 1951. A treaty regarding Germany's future allowed the reunification of East and West Germany to take place in 1990 and resolved most post World War II issues. No formal peace treaty between Japan and the Soviet Union was ever signed. The pre-war events include Italian invasion of Ethiopia 1935, Spanish Civil War 1936 to 1939, Japanese invasion of China 1937, Soviet Japanese border conflicts 1938, European occupations and agreements. Now we shall focus on the two groups involved in World War II, the Allies and the Axis. The Allies, also known as the Big Four, include Soviet Union, United States, United Kingdom, and China. The Axis includes Germany, Italy, and Japan. More than 40 lakhs civilians died in the Axis, and 4 crore 50 lakh civilians died in the Allies. The war ended when America threw two atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and Japan surrendered. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.